runners, welcome to Hurghada.
Welcome back to the last part, you guys. This is the Hurghada vlog. So we started off our day 7 as a travel day to Hurghada, and we got to stop at the Dendera temple. And a quick little fact for you, even though mine is obviously not as cool as we know, the Dendera temple is dedicated to the goddess Hathor, which is the ancient Egyptian goddess of motherhood, love, and joy. If you're a zodiac girly, you're gonna love this temple. This temple had so much detail. It was stunning, absolutely stunning. And the inner child of me loves things with stairs and things that you can like go up to the top with. I don't know why, but this was really cool. I've never been able to go to the top of a temple before, so this is what this video is showing, is that it actually had another level, which was so much fun. I got a little lost actually. This was me lost before we went upstairs. I highly recommend adding this to your travel wish list to go to. We spent about an hour here, and that was probably plenty of time. We could have definitely used more if you really wanted it. It was hot though, so do mind that. It's directly in the sun all day. And if you don't know, I'm an EF Ultimate Breaks ambassador, so that means my link below will automatically apply $100 off when you book with EF for the first time. EF Ultimate Breaks is a travel company for 18 to 35-year-olds. They have 120 or more trips to choose from, plenty of dates, so check them out. Room tour. I know you guys love this part. We love seeing a bathroom, but this is our second to last hotel. We're in Hurghada. We stayed at the Sea Star Beau Rivage. That's French. I had to look that up, how to say that for you. But let me tell you, I felt bougie here. I felt, wow, I work really hard and I treat myself nice. And just like that, it's day 8. So we headed on over to our boat day for our beach day at Maham. Let me tell you, this is not what I expected for a boat. It was like a yacht. Again, Hurghada made me realize I'll treat myself really nice. So if you're thinking about booking this trip, highly recommend Egypt Expedition, because look at us. We had a field day. So we really had this boat all day. We were like dawn to dusk, basically. That's a little extensive, but we had a great time. Our first stop of the day was Orange Bay, and we got to spend a couple hours here. Again, bougie. We had this nice section already set up for us with like little cushions to lay on the beach. You could walk around. There was pizza and ice cream and so much, and henna. This amazing woman did this henna for us. And there were swings to take photos on. And then before you know it, we were leaving. Like, take me back. I'm not done. It was stunning. It was so much fun. You're right. You're looking at this right. That is our boat. We had that boat all to ourselves. I'm telling you right now. Bougie.
It's too big. It's too big.
So after this, we went snorkeling in the Red Sea. That's right, the Red Sea. So blue, so beautiful. It was so cool. It was really cool to be able to swim and see all the coral and the wildlife. Though there wasn't as much wildlife as I was expecting, but honestly, I was just more excited to be swimming in the Red Sea. It was an option if you wanted to wear a life jacket, if you couldn't feel like you couldn't swim that well, but you didn't have to if you feel like you're a strong swimmer. I was a lifeguard for 10 years, so I opted out of, no life jacket. So there's quite a bit of clips, but now just enjoy us playing mermaids. We had a great time, let me tell you. Look at that smile. You can't fake that happiness.
It's just recording, so you can talk.
Yeah.
prepared. We're going ATVing. Yay! So this is day 9. It's our free day in Hurghada, and you could literally do whatever you want to. Some people stayed at the pool, some went to the spa, some went stargazing. A group of us decided we wanted to book ATVing, and I do have to say, this has nothing to do with EF. Actually, EF recommends you not to do it, but YOLO! So we booked this through a separate company, and I will put the link below on where we linked it. Highly recommend. It was so cool. It was 45 minutes in the desert, and then we had a little tour of this cute little village. We got tea. I bought probably the best souvenirs ever. And then we had a 45-minute... Oh, and a camel ride. How could I forget a camel ride? And then we had a 45-minute ATV ride back. My thumb still hurts from holding that, like, the gas, I guess, if you will, the pedal. But it was so cool. We were all like, holy schmoly. Oh my God. We are in Egypt. Like, it really hit. We were in the desert of Egypt. And maybe we were back by 1 o'clock, so we still got to do, like, chill by the pool for a little bit, go to the spa. It was a cool, awesome free day. It just finally hit. We're like in Egypt. We basically leave tomorrow. So this is our last night in Hurghada. So Sarah and Maria Jose and I decided we're gonna go out on the town. Hurghada was probably the best place to go out. It was definitely a lot safer. And we had the nicest Uber driver literally ever. So we did, doesn't mean everybody in our group did, just like as an FYI.
Okay. Alright. Cheers to the last night in Egypt.
Woo!
Cheers to our last night.
Oh, this is so good. By out in the town, we meant we got dinner and some perfume, and then we went back. I'm literally gonna cry because it's day 10. We left Hurghada and returned to Cairo. And we actually went to the marketplace in Cairo, so that way you could finish getting any last minute souvenirs you wanted. It was really cool to go to this market. Very busy, but very cool. So yeah, we're back in Cairo. We're heading to our last hotel, and then we have our farewell dinner. So sad. Oh, making these videos is so fun, but it makes me sad again, even though it's been like 4 months since I've been there. But I miss it. One last time, one final room tour. This is the Novotel Cairo airport. And we're off to our farewell dinner. I'm gonna miss these girls so much, but such short time till we're all together again, and I hope this man's there to serenade us one last time. That's it. Last day. We're leaving. 15 hours later and I'm back home in Boston. Don't you worry, I already have another trip booked. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.